Hey, what's up, everybody? So, this is Doodlistry, and welcome to my channel. So, today we are going to talk about something creative. What we do, we usually order many kind of things from online websites like Amazon, Flipkart, and other sites. And what we get as a parcel, like different kind of delivery boxes in different shapes, in different sizes, in different colors. Okay, so what we usually do, we usually throw them out. Okay, so without throwing them out, we can use them for some creative stuffs. Okay, it will be fun, and maybe we can make some interesting gift box for our loved ones as well. So today we are going to talk about those things. So without any further ado, let's jump into the process.
Okay, so for this particular project, you need one, like packaging box, like those which are waste materials. Like, I hope you get, I mean, you order online a lot of stuffs every day, and you get all those delivery packages and all those from Amazon, Flipkart, and other online websites. And sometimes what we do, we just throw them out, right? In the bin. So instead of throwing them out in the bin, what we can do is we can make art or something creative out of it, so that it will be fun. It will be a stress releaser also, and it can be a showpiece for you as well. Okay, so for this particular project, I'm using this packaging box. Okay, so I prefer blank one because I'm showing you, like, there is another kind of box here, but this is something, the logo is written right here. So I like avoid this kind of box, because if you use this box, you have to use some strong kind of color so that you can just cover it up. So I prefer the blank one. So this one will be, I think, best for this project. Okay, so I'm going to make some creature out of it. Okay, so for this one I need this blank box, and two like artificial eyes, like this one, as you can see. So these are basically you will find it in craft store or any art material store. Okay, and these are available in stationery shops also. So these are very you will get it anywhere, in any art store or any stationery shop. Okay, and you need another kind of craft paper. Okay, like this one. So I have already cut it out, this particular paper. So I'm showing you the type of paper I'm using here. This is the kind of paper I'm using here. Okay, this is like spongy soft craft paper. Okay, so you will also get that in any art store or any stationery store for for craft works and all. And I made a tongue out of it. Okay, so I have just cut this particular thing already, and for cutting this thing I have used this one. Okay, this is actually stencil cutter, as you can see. This is a stencil cutter, but you can use scissor as well if you want, but this is actually very this actually gives very fine results, so I prefer this one. Okay, so these things you need, and you need I am using this brush, okay, for painting this particular box. This is a thick not round brush, but like flat brush. Okay, and I'm also using this round brush for this side part. Okay, and some acrylic color I'm using for this project is this one, Flash. And I'm using two kind of color, one is black and one is pink. Okay, so these materials you need for this project. Okay, and you can use your own brand acrylic colors, that is not a problem, like Fevicryl and other, that will also do. Okay, so without adding much details, let's jump into the process. And I'm first forwarding this video, so next one you will see the work process. Okay, so let's start.
Okay, so this is our special creature made from, waste material or packaging box. Okay, so if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions for any particular tutorial, or if you have anything, any special kind of work process if you want to see, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed it. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.